Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more update. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to make a designing shape on Pixel Lab easily. Open the Pixel Lab, select a shape, change the color of shape, select the draw, adjust the color, select the 3D shape, the path for different color of shape, select the image, change the background color, select a sticker, select another sticker, duplicate the sticker, select the color filter, change the color of sticker. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.